Hello and welcome everyone. In this video I would like to review a filter. So this is a polarized filter, I would say, and it could remove the reflection as far as I understood from the box itself. I'm not the specialist in this one, but this is what I received to review. Let's just remove the plastic cover, I would say, from the packaging. Let's tear it apart here. So it's relatively in a very small box, I would say. Looks like this. So a shiny box, very nice quality, I would say, as well. Nice cornering and very nice. So no information. Optical glass, so it's a glass basically. It's quite slim frame and multi-layer coating. That's what you can see. Well, let's open it up from here. Let's see what we have got. So when we open it from the box, we have got this one. Cleaning clothes. Okay, so this is just to clean it, I would say. It's for laptop, cell phone, camera, and glasses. There is a, I'm not sure what is this. I think there is something written inside it. Okay, product information, manufacturer, and so on. Some information. Then we have got the probably user manual. So years of research, blah blah. So it's about the company information, basically what they have done all these years and so on, in different languages. So it's like a company vision, but honestly speaking, I'm not sure what's the usage of it for the end user. Well, if you have a different opinion, let me know. I'm very curious. I mean, to me has no meaning. So this is the box for the product. So here I already see that the product has been pushing the box. Really relatively a very cheap, I would say, tiny box. Yeah, so I'm not sure even what's the usage of it. Could have impacted in something like this. Anyway, let's just open it. And that's what we have got. So it's a filter. So this is a filter. I'm not, okay, it looks like for phone. So which means this could be connected to a phone. And this is pretty much how it looked like. So it has something around it as well. Seems like it can move around. I'm not sure what's the usage, but there is some information around it. So this is called CPL lens, based on what is written here. It's called CPL lens, 52 millimeter. If it's for phone, I assume so it should cover all the cameras. So with iPhone, for example, and probably would stop the reflections. I know about the CPL lenses, so basically it will remove the reflection and the pictures will look much more natural. I hope you liked it. So if you have any questions, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I always have on daily basis videos, so make sure you subscribe to see all of those videos. And if you have a product which you would like me to test, please get in touch with me. I'm happy to do so. Thank you and see you in the next video. Bye bye.